Salam, this is Unity, and I'm here to do a Unity moment. All right, y'all, so I have some Fragment Effects glass chips that I got from Plaid, and I want to show y'all them, and eventually I will make something with it, and I will show y'all what I create. I'm not going to do it in this video, but I will do it in the next video. So I just wanted to show y'all these. This one right here is a pink rose. So I'm gonna open these up. I haven't opened them. Ooh. And they have like a cautious thing on it. But I think once you seal them with a varnish, especially if I'm gonna do earrings. So, you know what? Let me do this. Let me get a little piece of white paper so you can see these a little bit better. The colors is beautiful. So y'all know I'm gonna create something dope. So let's just grab a little bit. Look at that. They're not sharp, but you know, they got a cautious going here to tell you to be careful. They do have that on there. So you could do so much with these. Y'all see how pretty that color is? It's about the same color my hand, so y'all might can't see it. But this is the pink, pale pink rose. So that is that one. You know what? I'm gonna keep it down so y'all can see the different ones. I have some cool ideas that I'm gonna create. Okay, the next color is called Limeade. It is pretty. Fragment Effects, if I didn't say that in the beginning. So it's yellow, but it has like a gold look to it. That is pretty. Y'all see that? Yeah. Put a little bit in my hand. Y'all can see the pretty color. Now this would be really good with, I did a review on some glitters. I'll put that in the link. But these glitters right here, I think that'll be cool to mix these, you know, come out with a cool design. But I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show y'all. But that'll be cool with, you could do so much. You can mix these with the glitters. You can mix them with the sugar metallics. You could do so much. Y'all, some of the glitter came out over here. I didn't know I had that open. So let's move that. But yeah, that'll be good to work with glitters. Let's move that over there. And then here go another color. This is a beautiful color. It is called Bottle Green. Y'all, these are not sharp. So y'all know I'm gonna make some earrings with them. The bottle green. It might be a little dark in my hand, so let's put it right there so y'all can see it. And I'll zoom in so y'all can see all of these colors together. Let me put a little more gold down. A little bit of gold. Well, it's yellow. It look gold. And then this is beautiful. This is a clear transparency color. That is really pretty. You know, that'll be nice on a mermaid tail. If you're drawing a mermaid tail or if you painting a mermaid tail on some earrings. If you're painting it on canvas or earrings. So this is just a nice glass. Oh yeah, I got some ideas for this. So that is that one. Or did I put some down? But it has like a little blue tint. I don't know if y'all can see that. It might look more silver, but it looked just like regular glass. But it got a slightly light baby blue tint to it. From in person. I don't know if y'all can see that. So what next color? Okay, this one. Move this over. This is beautiful. This would be pretty on a mermaid tail. Everything be pretty much. It also be pretty in the afro. Give it some texture. And they really lightweight, y'all. You'll see that one? That's pretty. It's like a, what this one is called, a turquoise sea. You know, talking about mermaids. So yeah, that's a beautiful color too. Matter of fact, I'm gonna leave these out and I'm gonna create something so when I come back, y'all will see what I create. It's gonna probably be some earrings. I'm pretty sure. But and then this is another color, which is beautiful. All these colors, I like all colors. Not too many colors I don't like. I don't even know if it's a color I don't like. Colors make colors. That is pretty. It's like a lime green. Let me sit it right here. That is gorgeous. Y'all see that? Yeah. And it's called Limeade. All right. Plaid does have other colors, and then I'll get those and I'll show y'all. But before I show y'all, I'm going to show y'all what I create with these colors. Show and tell on these. Fragment effects. They glass chips. All right, y'all. So I put the link below if y'all interested in getting some. And if you go to plaidonline.com, use Khadijah15 to get 15% off. Or you can use the Amazon link and go straight there. And you can order these. All right, y'all. Let me know how they work out for y'all. But like as I say, I'm going to create something cool for these. So I'm going to keep these there. And then y'all see that video coming up soon. Salam, salam.